Meanwhile, in New Zealand, this is a 1950 M41 tank. You know, just something for the weekends.
We'll start the donkey motor, which generates the.
Is that like what's a donkey motor?
It's a little motor that generates the current for the main one. So we'll start that, and then we'll kick it in the guts and see what happens. But you can start it on batteries, but I don't have the batteries.
So it's a flat 6 in the back, like a Subaru.
It's like a Subaru.
The piston itself is that. It's bigger than your fist, and the carburetor is, well, it's quite heavy.
Yeah, just tip it over. It's all right. Go for it.
Oh, it's a downdraft carburetor. My goodness.
Trying to see something?
Yeah, I'm trying to see in it. Okay, it's 4 fingers right in there. The jet is like a straw. Wow. And the other side, the business end, where it connects to the, holy moly, those things are huge. It's like a carburetor that sometimes you see on like Pro Street drag cars. Like there's that much fuel going into it.
I just need to do the technical stuff.
That's how I held it up.
I didn't.
The tall man has
24 volts.
Don't say it's on fire again.
No, it's not. I've got the video back when we try and start the Stewart. I'll show you the video. I was wondering if you wanted to.
Oh, that's clever right there. These are like knee pads?
Yeah.
Oh.
The other one doesn't reach, but the one on the left, I'm not sure what the other one's for.
Yeah, you're sitting on the edge there, you got knee pads.
Luxury cruiser.
So right here is up and down, but the thing is, it's always works. So I think outside of the tank, I am moving the gun, or main cannon, which is here, 76 millimeter. So you'd flick that on, and then attached to that, there's your trigger right down there. So it said you're the tank commander, so you have to look at the cannon.
Don't go left.
You go.
The thing is, this requires one finger. And how many reduction gears are being used that I'm moving the entire turret and it hardly moves at all?
Gee. You feel it move, that's cool.
Magic gear.
Oh shit. Yeah, it moves a lot too.
Yeah.
I think it weighs something like 5 tons as well.
Whoa. Rob says this is 5 tons worth of weight.
It's more than 5 tons probably.
So how many gears? This is like a question for AVE.
Also, you got to think that it's not hard to move 5 tons if it's on great bearings. If it's on great bearings, you can just grab a 5 ton thing and spin it by hand.
Yeah, if you just stand up, it'll sort of ratchet itself on. It's a bit more fancy.
There it goes.
There you go.
For fresh air, but I can still be up here.
How did you even get it here? Did it get like driven on the road to here?
It was restored and prior to it, so it came on a transporter down
Very large transport.
Yes. There's a low bridge in Eketahuna, which a railway goes over.
Oh, yes.
You had to get the key to go around the track to go over the bridge, but it popped either 2 or 3
Because it's too wide to go through it, or
too tall.
as well.
So it was popped about 2 or 3 tyres on the transporter coming down, but I made it. But one went bang just coming in, and a couple went bang on the road, so it might have been a tiny bit heavy. This is back before it got too strict with the transporter, so I think that might have been a bit trying to push it. So it's a 3-stage automatic. I believe you've got a low and a high, which has an overdrive in it, and you just shift it like a car, 2 pedals.
Oh, okay. That's
reverse.
a gigantic gas.
A little brake. It's a bit floppy because it's incorporated with the handbrake, but the lever there, the gear lever, if you hold that to the left and then move the steering just in the top position, that's neutral steer, so that's where it will drive on the spot around in circles. Yep.
Like that?
Yep, and that's low. So when you're up in the top and park, if you just hold it on the left and then steer, it will move itself around. So you sort of got to do it with 2 hands. Yeah.
Where is the twin sticks for the...
They're right there in front of your hands. Just move them forward a bit and then up.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just a bar.
Oh, it's like a...
Are you supposed to see something out of there?
Just like a tricycle.
There's no effort involved.
I think it wasn't applied inside.
So you've got a combined tachometer and speedo. You've got your Magneto Controls in here. It's all aircraft based.
Ah.
Yeah, 2 magnetos. You've got your booster coil here for when you're starting it, starter lever, and when you stop, you cut the fuel off. That's a fuel cut-off button. And then you've just got lights and other such things.
These are all, when I drove the Deuce and a Half, it had these
It
things.
had those as well.
Yeah. Just all military spec parts.
You'll find on the Stewart it's the same. It's all quite redundant. Everything's wired together in the motor, and it's all very...
Is this the Periscope?
If you go, that is. If you go down on your lever to the left there, lift that up.
Is this going to drop me?
It will drop you down, yep. So you'll see you've got a Periscope, 4 of them there.
Oh, awesome.
I'll get my crotch out of it.
So cool. I mean, sitting in it right now, it's cool, but when this thing is running, it is deafening in here.
That wouldn't be the gun for it.